Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start. Mark, I am so excited. I cannot believe we are going to Dubai.
I know. It is a great city, Emma. You are going to love it.
Have you been to Dubai before?
Yes, I have. I went there 2 years ago. It is a beautiful city.
What is Dubai like?
It is big. It is modern. It is very hot. And there are many tall buildings.
Tall buildings? How tall?
Very, very tall. You will see Emma.
Oh, I am so excited.
Me too, Emma. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Wow, this airport is huge.
Yes, it is. Dubai has one of the biggest airports in the world.
Really? One of the biggest?
Yes, really. Many people visit Dubai every day.
That is amazing. Oh my, Mark, it is so hot.
Yes, Emma, it is very hot in Dubai. The weather is always hot here.
How hot is it?
Today, it is about 40 degrees.
40 degrees? That is very, very hot.
Yes, but don't worry. Inside the buildings, it is cool. There is air conditioning everywhere.
Okay, good. Mark, look at those buildings. They are so tall.
Yes, those are the skyscrapers of Dubai. Beautiful, aren't they?
Yes, they are amazing. I have never seen buildings so tall.
Wait until you see the Burj Khalifa.
The Burj Khalifa. What is that?
It is the tallest building in the world.
The tallest building in the world? In Dubai?
Yes, in Dubai.
Wow, I cannot wait to see it.
We will see, but first we should go to the hotel.
Mark, this hotel is beautiful.
I am glad you like it.
I love it. It is like a dream.
Come on, let's go inside.
Welcome to Dubai. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, we have a reservation. The name is Mark Stevens.
Of course, Mr. Stevens. Let me check. Yes, I have your reservation. 2 rooms on the 15th floor. Here are your keys.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Please enjoy your stay in Dubai.
Thank you. I am sure we will. Mark, I can see the sea from here.
That is the Persian Gulf.
The Persian Gulf? Wow, it is so beautiful and blue.
Yes, we can go to the beach tomorrow, but first, let's rest. We need some sleep after the long flight.
Okay, good idea. I am a little tired. See you after rest, Mark.
See you, Emma. Rest well.
Oh my goodness, Mark, this is incredible.
This is the Burj Khalifa, Emma. It is 828 meters tall.
828 meters?
Yes,
I cannot believe it. It is so tall. How many floors does it have?
it has 163 floors.
163 floors. That is unbelievable.
Would you like to go up to the top?
Can we?
Yes, we can. There is an observation deck at the top. You can see all of Dubai from there.
Yes, please. Let's go up. Mark, I can see everything. The city, the sea, the desert, everything.
Yes, beautiful, isn't it?
It is the most beautiful view I have ever seen.
I am glad you like it.
Thank you for bringing me here, Mark.
You are welcome, Emma. Look down there. Do you see that very big building next to us?
Yes, I do. It looks huge. What is it?
That is the Dubai Mall. It is one of the biggest malls in the world.
Really? Can we go there? I want to see it.
Of course, it is just next to the Burj Khalifa. Let's go down and walk there.
Great. Let's go. Mark, how big is this mall?
It is one of the biggest shopping malls in the world.
One of the biggest in the world?
Yes, there are more than 1,200 shops inside.
1,200 shops? Are you serious?
Very serious.
I do not know what to say.
There is also an aquarium inside the mall.
An aquarium? Inside a shopping mall?
Yes, a big one.
That is crazy. I love it.
Me too. Let's walk in the mall.
Okay, let's go. I am a little tired and a little hungry.
Me too. Let's have some coffee and something to eat.
Good idea. Mark, this city is incredible. Everything here is so big. Everything is so modern.
Yes, Dubai is a very young city, but it grew very fast.
How old is Dubai?
Well, the city started to grow in the 1970s, so it is not very old.
Only 50 or 60 years?
Yes, before that, it was mostly desert.
From desert to this? In 50 years?
Yes, amazing, right?
Very amazing.
Emma, what do you want to do tomorrow?
I don't know. What do you suggest?
Well, we have not been to the beach yet.
The beach. Oh, yes. I would love that.
Jumeirah Beach is very beautiful. White sand, warm water, and you can see the city from the beach.
That sounds perfect. Let's go there. Mark, this is so beautiful. It is like a postcard.
I told you.
Mark, stand near the water. I want a photo of you.
Me? Oh, okay.
Smile more, Mark. This is a holiday. Perfect. I am going to send this to my mom. She will love it.
Good idea.
Mark, I could stay here forever.
I know the feeling. Let's keep walking on the beach.
Okay, let's walk. Mark, I cannot find my phone.
What?
My phone. I cannot find it. I think I lost it.
When did you last use it?
On the beach. I was taking photos. And then I put it somewhere. And now I cannot find it.
Okay, don't worry, Emma. Let's go back and look.
Oh, Mark, all my photos are on that phone. All my photos from the Burj Khalifa, from the mall, everything.
I know, but don't worry. Let's look carefully. Emma, look.
What? Where?
There, on that towel. Is that your phone?
Yes, it is my phone. Oh, thank goodness.
You left it on the towel.
I did. Oh, I am so silly. I am sorry, Mark. I was so scared.
It's okay, Emma. The important thing is that you found it.
Yes, thank you, Mark. Thank you for helping me look.
That is what friends are for.
I will not put it down again. I will keep it in my bag.
Good idea. Let's keep traveling.
This is different from the rest of Dubai.
Yes, this is the old Dubai, the original part of the city before all the big buildings.
It is very charming, very beautiful in a different way.
I think so too.
Mark, this has been an amazing holiday.
I am glad you enjoyed it.
I loved everything. The Burj Khalifa, the mall, the beach, the aquarium, all of it.
What was your favorite part?
The view from the top of the Burj Khalifa, when I could see the whole city, the sea, and the desert all at the same time. That was special. I will never forget that.
That is a good choice.
And you? What is your favorite part of Dubai?
For me, it is right now, sitting here by the water in the old city. It is peaceful. I love this feeling.
Yes, I understand. It is very peaceful. Mark, thank you. Thank you for bringing me here. Thank you for showing me Dubai. I could not have done this without you.
It was my pleasure, Emma. I enjoyed showing you the city.
I have learned so many things on this trip. Dubai is not just buildings and shopping malls. It is a mix of old and new. It is a city with a story.
That is a very good way to describe it.
I will come back one day. I am sure of it.
I will come with you.
Good. Next time, you can show me the desert.
Yes, the desert is beautiful too. Maybe next time.
Next time. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.